Mum, now I know why his girlfriend broke up with him. Single girls like cats because sometimes they can be like a real man, lending a paw. This cuteness will wrap up today's video. Thank you for watching.
Tırnağını çıkartırsa şey yapar.
Well, in the end, it's all about self-reliance. My girl's nagging me because I'm running late again.
What? Ooh.
Those who start showing off their acting chops this early are gonna be real competition in showbiz later on.
Seriously?
He was just eager to help Mum with the tree despite lacking the skills.
Oh my god! Stop! Oh my god.
Nope. When you're too smart for your own good, but also too curious to resist the temptation.
Bruh.
Life is full of temptations. Sometimes you really